Now, during today's hearing, the defense attorney for Erik Sackett also argued for motions to admit evidence accusing someone else of the crime.
The defense accused Erin Somvilai's doctor as a suspect in her death and concealing her body. News 8's Mal Meyer joins us now to explain what this could mean for the trial.
Mike and Martha, the defense made two motions to admit evidence identifying Dr. David Onsrud as a third-party suspect in her death and concealing her body. Another motion would admit other evidence specific to Onsrud's alleged paid sexual relationship with Somvilai and their interactions. In court today, they laid out how the former Mayo Clinic Health System doctor had the motive, opportunity, and connection. Dr. David Onsrud, Erin Somvilai's doctor, was once considered a person of interest during the investigation. But now, the defense says he improperly prescribed her medication, told her not to report self-harm, and had a paid sexual relationship with her. That could have been his motive.
He lied about the times that he had contact with her, lied about the extent of their contact together.
Then, the opportunity. Onsrud allegedly had contact with her right before her disappearance and could not account for certain time periods once she was reported missing.
The nurse received a call from Ms. Somvilai's family indicating that she's been reported as missing, that they're concerned about her, and to please have the doctor call the family member when he gets in. That nursing note noted that Dr. Onsrud was absent from work on the 5th.
Sackett's lawyer also wanted to question investigators why they did not look further into Onsrud as a suspect. In response, the district attorney argued there was no clear motive, because it was not clear if he was being extorted by Somvilai, beyond Onsrud later telling investigators he advised her not to get help for self-harm.
There's nothing that we can find from anybody that indicates that Erin was going to extort any money from Onsrud except the one statement mentioned by the defendant in his brief.
And while he may have had opportunity, there had to be practical evidence connecting him.
Not just what Mr. Sackett presents is there was a ping somewhere on the north side of La Crosse on one day that's very vague.
And there has to be evidence that he actually committed the crime.
What crime is it that Onsrud supposedly committed? When did he do it and how did he do it?
Judge Levine disagreed with the state and said that there could be motive because of some of the defense's points, but he was unsure if Onsrud killed her. While there may not be evidence beyond a reasonable doubt, there was opportunity for him to move the body, just like there was for Erik Sackett. Judge Levine said the court will allow what was included in the defense's motions. The next hearing is scheduled for September 13th. Mike and Martha.
All right, thanks a lot, Mal. Now, in response to the allegations made in court, News 8 asked a Mayo Clinic Health System spokesperson why Onsrud no longer works for the system or if his behavior was ever investigated.
In response, the spokesperson issued the following statement. Mayo Clinic Health System is aware of the criminal case that identifies a former staff member as part of the investigation. Because this is an active investigation, we are not able to provide any additional information.